What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are discussing about the iOS 16 jailbreak. Yes, it has been achieved by Palera1n team. They already got tweaks running on the jailbreak. So now finally you can jailbreak all versions from iOS 15 up to iOS 16.2. So as you see here, Palera1n team has been updated with iOS 16 support for A11 devices and lower. On iOS 16, the device must have never had a passcode set since restoring, and developer mode must be enabled. So what this means? This means if you have enabled the passcode on iOS 16, you must erase the device with iTunes or in the settings app to be able to jailbreak. This doesn't apply if you disable the passcode in iOS 15 before updating to iOS 16, but if you enable it at all in iOS 16, you have to follow these instructions, which is to restore or erase your device. A lot of you probably know about Palera1n is a jailbreak based on the CheckM8 exploit for iOS 15 up to iOS 15.7.1 with tweaks, so this jailbreaks works rather fine. You can have tweaks and you can jailbreak all iOS 15 and iOS 16 versions on the CheckM8 devices. Palera1n is a CheckM8 based jailbreak, so basically just like CheckRain, which means it only supports the iPhone 10, 8, 8 Plus, 7, 7 Plus, 6S, 6S Plus, and stuff like that. Here, as you can see in the changelog, the current latest version is 1.4.0, and this version contains many bug fixes and improvements. In this version now, it doesn't mount user data protection for iPhone X compatibility because it's not needed anymore. Also, home button on iPhone 7 Plus and 8 Plus has been fixed. This version is now switched to the local boot, but the most important changes here is UI Cache Loader app on boot. So no more Tips app hijacking. This means finally you don't need Tips app anymore. Now Palera1n supports iOS 15 up to iOS 16.2 on all CheckM8 devices. Here you will find how to install Palera1n Jailbreak and the steps to jailbreak your device. The first thing you should note is that if you are on iOS 16 and have ever set a passcode, you will need to erase all content and settings in order to be able to jailbreak. Also, you need to enable developer mode if you are using iOS 16. If you are on iOS 15, just skip this. To enable developer mode on iOS 16, just go to Settings app, then go to Privacy and Security, scroll down to Developer Mode, then tap it. You must have side-loaded an app before this option will appear. You will find the link below this video. After you find the developer mode, toggle the developer mode toggle on, then tap Restart. After your device reboots, tap Turn on to enable developer mode. Here you will find the instructions for installing the jailbreak. First, you need to select your operating system. I'm using macOS. The first thing you will do here is to clone the repo with this command. Just copy this command and paste it in the terminal and hit enter. If you've already cloned this repo, just run cd Palera1n. Now open a terminal window and type cd to the directory. Now you need to type this command in the terminal, but before run the third command, you must put your device in DFU mode. The semi-throttle jailbreak flag uses 5 to 10 GB of storage and is also incompatible with 16 GB devices. Alright, after run the third command, your device will boot into a RAM disk, which will dump labs. It will also patch the kernel for you so you can use tweaks. Here is the last things you need to do. Once the device back in recovery or normal mode, place the device again into the DFU mode. The device will boot. After that, just open Palera1n Loader app and hit install. Still, you should have appeared on your home screen, and that's it. It's very simple steps. You should know that Cydia is broken in iOS 15 and iOS 16, and therefore you will not be able to use it. You will have to use Zebra Store or Celio instead of Cydia. I hope someone will update Cydia to support iOS 15 and iOS 16. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more videos, and peace.